Okay, today we are going to learn about the preservation of food. So what is meant by preservation? To keep the food fresh, to keep the food fresh for a longer, for a longer, for a long period, for a long period is known as preservation of food. Okay, so in this, so we have different methods. We have the different methods of preservation of food. So adding salt, chili powder, and oil is okay. What example can you give? It is a pickle. It is a pickle. Adding only salt. What we can only adding only salt. Okay, what adding only salt? Okay, we are adding only salt is that is what is okay, vegetables we can, and also vegetables, and also the mango, dry mango. We use only the salt and we dry in the sun. Okay, and then drying. So we make the in our houses in summer. What we do? We are making. What we are doing? We are making the papads, or we are making a odiyal antaru. Adi okay. We are only what we are doing. We are drying under the sun. Okay, and then it becomes dry. Okay, and sugar syrup. Sugar syrup. So some of the vegetable or some of the fruits, not vegetable, some of the fruits what we are doing, we are soaking in the sugar syrup. Okay, and we can see in the some of the what are there, some of the jams and the jellies, they are preserving in the sugar syrup. That's why. Okay, so they are that's why they are very fresh. What we are using the jams is like jams we are using. So they are okay. They are fresh. Whenever you purchase this, it is fresh. Okay. So they are keeping the food for a longer time to stay fresh. Okay. And then and for preserving food, we are using different methods. Yes, we are using the different methods. So when you are purchasing or when you are taking the thing or some of the some of the food from the markets, they are preserving in it chemicals. So it is harmful to our body. Okay, it is harmful to our body. And also, whenever you are purchasing the food products from the market, we have to always, what we have to see? We have to see the ingredients. We have to see the ingredients and manufacturing date we have to see, and also the expiry date. We have to see the expiry date. Why? Because we have to always, okay, it is very important. Otherwise, if you are eating the outdated food, what happens? It will causes damage to our health. It will causes the damage to our health. Okay, so that's why we have to always manufacturing date, we have to see expiry date, and the ingredients. It is very important when you purchase the packets. Okay, from the market. And what is meant by vegetable carving? What is meant by vegetable carving? So we make in some of the functions, we can see they make the designs with the fruits and vegetables. They make the design, or they decorate the table, or the like that they make. So when they make the designs with the vegetable, so it is known as a vegetable carving. Or they use the fruits or the vegetables, so this is known as the vegetable carving. Okay, so we have completed our lesson. And read the lesson once, and I will give the questions tomorrow. Thank you.